Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford Edge SEL with the 200A package. The exterior color is magnetic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have HID headlamps as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. We also have color-matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows. At the rear, we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera, as well as our Edge and SEL badging. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors that are also heated. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting, and as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 63,917 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Edge. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync LCD display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, and our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls. We also have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift, as well as dual cup holders and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage as well as power windows and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. Our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Edge, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.